Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we'll be continuing the part 3 of the series of videos covering the epicycloid. In part 1 and 2, we drew the epicycloid, and in today's video, we'll be selecting a point P on the curve. Then we'll be drawing the normal and tangent to this selected point P. And at the end of the video, you will have this completed drawing where you would have completed the epicycloid, the normal, and tangent. So we'll be starting the video. Let's plot it now. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go to spline, and we're going to draw an arc. The first point would be here. The next point would be there at that intersection. This intersection. The top arc we need now, right? The top arc right here. Right here. And we need this one. We need this one. This one. This is the next point. This is the next point. The top one, top arc we need, right? Because the one below it is the center of the circle. So this is one we need. This one. This point here. This point. And then back down to 12, which is right here. Enter. And we're going to move it in this direction. Enter. Right, so this is our epicycloid, okay? This is our epicycloid, right? So this one, we need to put it on layer 1. And then now, there is the epicycloid. We need to put this on layer 2. Good. So what we're going to do now, we're going to label it epicycloid. So we're going to come here. We're going to label it like this. And this now is the epi. Cycloid. All right. All right. So good job if you followed along. All right. The next thing we're gonna do, I think this arc you can also darken it also. Okay. And that is a given question. All right. Good. Now, what we can also do, we can also construct the normal and tangent to the point. I'm gonna draw a random line down. All right, enter. So point P, I'm going to label P there. So I'm going to come single line text. I'm going to click right here. The height must be 6. So this is P. All right, so from P, what you're going to do, you're going to mark an arc to intersect the center line, which with this arc. So I'm going to go center, start, end, intersection. I'm going to turn on snap to pick up this point. This radius would be 45. Where the arc intersect this center line, we're going to draw it to this to the center O down here, right? So we're going to go line from this intersection coming down to here. Enter. All right. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to draw a construction circle from that point. So we're going to go circle just to identify. So there, enter. Right? The next step, like in the previous video where we drew the tangent and normal to the cycloid, this point down here would be Q. So let's label it Q. So we're going to go single line text. This point, we're going to turn off object snap. This point would be Q. All right. Now the next thing, you're going to draw a line from Q. So we need to turn on object snap. From Q to P. Enter. And you guess what this line is called? Starts with N. N-O-R-M-A-L. Normal. Or what we're going to do, we're going to extend it so we can actually draw the tangent. All right, we draw a random line out here, and then we're going to use the extend command to extend this line out here. All right, good. All right, beautiful. All right, we're going to delete this line, right? So this line, I'm going to label it now normal. So I'm going to turn off object snap. I'm going to select here. The height, we're going to make it 6. The rotational angle would be, all right, so let's label that now, normal. All right. All right, so that's the normal. What we're going to do now, we're going to construct the tangent, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to draw a semicircle at P. So I need to turn on object snap. So from P, we're going to mark an arc 25 millimeters coming right around, right? Then where this semicircle intersect the normal, we're going to mark two arcs, right? So we're going to go arc there from this intersection, right? The radius will be 25. All right, so we'll come back. There it is. This is what I drew a while ago. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, all right? So we're going to go arc, start, center, end. So we go here. I'm going to mark 25. I'm going to come there. Where these two arcs intersect the previous arc within the semicircle, we're going to mark two more arcs equal to 25. So we're going to go there, there. Let's zoom up here. So the intersection is here. We're going to mark 25. I'm going to come across like that. All right. Let's just move down. So this is the arc we drew a while ago, this one. All right. We're going to draw another arc from here. So we're going to go arc, center, start, end, the radius will be 25. All right. So where these two arcs intersect now, that would be the perpendicular, which is the tangent. So from here, this point here, we draw a line to P, enter, and then what we're going to do, we're going to extend it to the top first so that we can picture it. So we're going to come, we're going to draw a random line, and then we delete the random line, right? Random line, enter. We're going to type extend, extend. I'm going to extend this, there it is, good. All right, enter. I'm going to delete this construction line and delete this line. All right, so we're going to label this tangent. So we're going to put this line and this line on the darker one, right? So that it is dark. All right, so we're going to label this now. Single line text, right? Let's turn on object snap. I'm going to put it right here. The height will be 6, rotational angle will be 60. All right, so we're going to label this now, tan. Okay, there it is, good. So we have normal and we're going to extend it on the other side, all right? So we're going to type extend. And we're going to click on it to this side. We're going to zoom it up. Carry it up. All right, so we're going to, there it is. We're going to extend it, see? What we can do, we can click on it. We can actually pull it down. All right, so that is our tangent. And this would have completed the drawing. So we have our epicycloid and the normal and the tangent. All right, so good job if you had followed along. In the next video, we will drawing the hypocycloid. So the hypocycloid would be below. All right. All right, so good job. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we completed the normal and tangent on the epicycloid which we drew in the previous videos. We thank you for joining us. And at CAD with Mr. Hew, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. And we're happy that we're a part of your educational learning. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.